FIMSO is Formwork design automation for both Revit and AutoCAD. The same core ribbon tools are available in both applications, so teams can use one workflow across modeling platforms. AutoCAD also includes wall creation tools for projects that start from CAD geometry. First, let us create walls directly in AutoCAD. Draw Wall creates a wall from center line points, with width and height set before placement. Wall from Lines converts existing line work into walls, while keeping the wall dimensions editable. Wall from Polyline creates a wall from a closed polyline after the required height is set. Switching to 3D confirms the created walls before adding formwork. With one command, FIMSO can add wall segments to all selected walls using the default settings. Next, let us move to Revit and review the main tools quickly. System management lets the user select a Formwork system, load its data, and check data integrity. Favorites capture design preferences, including detail priorities and which details should be included or excluded. The stock dialog controls item availability, allowing each item to be enabled, disabled, or limited by quantity. Fully automatic generation can start with optional corner and end settings. Corners can also be edited interactively until the preferred detail is selected. The main automatic command generates the full wall solution, with accessories included now or left for later. Accessories such as couplers and tie rods can be inserted wall by wall in the correct positions. Push-pull props can be selected by type and height, then placed manually with intelligent snapping to valid positions. Additional push-pulls can be inserted at intermediate levels when the design needs them. Automatic insertion is also available, placing accessories based on the configured spacing. Manual accessory placement is still available for panel-by-panel adjustments. Manual aligner insertion can place an aligner between tie rods and connect it to suitable panel holes. FIMSO adjusts the tie rod length and selects an appropriate aligner length for the condition. The manual panel placement tool supports quick correction when panels need to be removed or replaced. The center wheel gives 3 placement levels: add one selected panel, fill a gap with multiple panels, or fill between 2 selected panels using suitable sizes. A specific panel size can also be forced when the designer wants direct control. Finally, the item list can be exported for selected items or for the full design. The exported table includes item code, description, and quantity. This was a quick tour to show the idea. Detailed demonstrations for each function will be provided separately. This is FIMSO, stock-aware, cost-optimized formwork design, delivered faster and more consistently. Available as an add-in for Revit and AutoCAD.